G'day guys, today I'm going to share with you how I've been making our baby wipes. It is so cheap and easy to do. So all you're going to need is some paper towel. Make sure you get the 3-ply. This is not the time to use 1-ply. And 1 teaspoon of organic coconut oil. You'll also need a container. I'm using a plastic container that's PBA free. Firstly, using a nice sharp knife, I cut the paper towel in half. Try not to use a serrated knife because that just frays the edges. Next, I boil some water. I pour 1 cup of boiling water, then I add in the teaspoon of coconut oil and then mix. Once it's mixed, I give it 10 minutes to let it cool so that it's not boiling hot. It doesn't need to be boiling hot. After 10 minutes, I give it another mix and then pour it over the paper towel. Remove the paper towel roll from the center and then pull out the wipes from the center. So the other half of the paper towel we use in the kitchen, so we're using half as much paper towel as what we were previously, so that's another big saving. I've had no problems with mold or anything. We use these wipes in under a week and then I make another batch. It's a really easy task to do while you're doing something else in the kitchen. When Sophie was a newborn, we used just water and cloth wipes, which I'll show you how I've made, but now I'm back at work. This is a great alternative for us, and if we're out and about, you can just put it in this travel wipes container. Here's another video with mum hacks on it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.